Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. They will be learning how to remove contacts in Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to remove contacts in Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. After opening your Telegram app, guys, at the top left corner of the screen you can see there is a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon, and when this panel appears you can see there is the contacts option available for us just below the new group over here. Tap on contacts and all of your contacts will be available over here which are on your Telegram account. Now in order to remove a certain contact, guys, tap a contact over here which you want to remove, and their chat box will appear like this, and at the top of the screen you can see their name. Tap on their name, and on this interface, when you land on it, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there's a three dotted icon available for us at the top right corner. Tap on that three dotted icon at the top right corner, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see there it says the delete contact option available for us. Tap on delete contact, and this kind of pop-up box will appear where you can see the delete button available for us at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on delete, and that contact will be removed from your Telegram. And guys, this is how to remove contacts in Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.